I'm guessing the title catch your eye, then clicking and learn how to tackle some typical problem you may encounter with TBK to AA. Coming back, fellas, this is Golden from TBK Direct Factory. Let's get straight to the point. I have outlined 6 questions and marked the time in this video, so you can skip straightly to this point and check out the content correspondingly. So, number 1, regarding to the bottom function, the first thing you might notice is this red one. Actually, this is emergency stop. If you encounter any issues while operating the machine, you can press it and the machine will slowly come to a halt. Sometimes you may find that after you press the stop button, nothing gonna happen. So all you have to do just twist the button clockwise to unlock it. And then there we go. As for the menu button, just as the name suggests, it's used for manually lifting the screen. In terms of system configuration, we might need to modify the heating durations or the waste amount based on the current condition. To access the internal system, we choose this gear image with the code of 26888. Right here is the heating time, and right here is the heating amount. But more high not always isn't bring the best results. Setting the parameter exceedingly high sometimes may result in screen damage. That will be a nightmare. Typically, a period of time is 15 to 20 will suffice. Number 3, to adjust the position of the suction cap, you merely need to loosen the nuts aboard. These allow you to move the suction caps according to the size of the iPhone. Typically, positioning about 1 centimeter from the bottom of the phone is adequate. Number 4, if you're concerned that the screen may stick back down after you remove the screen, you can use this cardboard to wedge between the screen and the frame, and then you can go on all the necessary repair work. Number 5, if you're gonna dealing with this cracked or broken screen, you need to apply a temper film and the same goes for the back, then work as well as the intact one. However, if the situation like this way, well, how about let's replace a new back glass, then move forward with TBK to AA. Number 6, the last and the common one, is the heating block around the screen sometimes do not close properly. Before we get to that, we need to explain something further. We can use a piece of metal card to test if the vacuum system is functioning in a good condition or not. See this electricity current? Now, if the metal cord gets stuck in it, it proves that there is no issue with the machinery. Well, from the assembly of each component to the complete construction of each TBK to AA, followed by testing before dispatch, and then product packaging. Throughout the entire process, each step adheres to the rigorous quality assessment system. And definitely, we are always welcomes any valuable suggestions and constructing ideas to our TBK product. Moreover, we are more than happy to invite you for a visit to our TBK